Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to change your YouTube location. Go ahead and get yourself logged into your YouTube channel. In the upper right hand corner, click on your icon. It'll open up the drop down menu. Go to where it says location. By default, it'll be set to whatever your country of origin is. In my case, it's set to the United States, but if I want to change it per se to Australia, all you have to do is click on it and it immediately changes the location to Australia. Um, Keep in mind that changing the location may change the where your videos that you've uploaded have become available. Meaning that they may become unavailable to people in other countries because maybe YouTube has restrictions on where they can view videos from, and vice versa. Overall, I think probably having it set to United States is the best because for the most part, a lot of countries don't restrict videos from the United States. And vice versa, if you want to change it back to where your country of origin is, just go ahead and open up the drop down menu again, find your country of origin, click on it, and it immediately updates it. But thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.